Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all will be fine inshallah. Today I'm gonna teach you how to add a table format in the Word document. So click on Word Open It. As I have a document here, click on this. Now set out the pattern where you want to insert the table. Here the cursor is in this stage. But I want to make table in this stage. You can easily click on this. Press enter in this stage. Now come to this point, insert, and after insertion here you would find this sort of interface. Add a table. A table is a great way to organize information within your document. So click on. Now if you click on this, then it will make only one table in this form. If you click in 2 by 1 in this stage, if you click on 2 by 2, then it will be in this stage. For example, if you increase the number of tables, number of boxes, then it will be in this form. For example, if I want to add in this uh, condition, then I will click on this. Now for example, if I want to make a list of name, you just click on tabs here, name, father name, father name, father name, father name. Yes, sorry. So in this way you can easily make your files. Now you can make it central line in this way. Justifier. Now central line. Also make it central line. So easily you can make a lot of categories here, and you can also increase from this side. Okay. Hope you find it beneficial inshallah. Follow for more subscribers. Thank you very much.